Thank you.
We're on the next one. Alright, I'm here winning now.
Are you a win?
Yeah, I'm here winning.
Well, I come first, me good, you know.
6.
6 on the board, 5,
No.
4.
Good start. Alright. Alright.
So you go. Alright. Oh, wait. You know that smile, so.
No, come here win for you, man. Tell us that me win.
Eh? Well, me like that from you feel like you're a winner. That is good. That's what I like when a man come first. You know what them a do.
Yeah, someone father gun me, I go win. Alright, watch it now.
Alright. Hold like this up.
Alright. Here goes the Bobs. No, you know, man, I have stupid games. Alright. First time I go win. And then I go win. Stop playing now, you move so slow.
Stop rushing, man. You
Alright.
have to be patient.
Alright.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Just like the plants, you have to water it and watch it grow.
Alright.
Yeah, so yeah.
Play no man on the stupid game. No, you're not winning now.
We pass.
You pass? Watch it now. Yes, you pass. Yes, you pass.
Pass.
Watch it. Watch it. Win movie.
like a long time I play, man.
Yeah, long time I play.
Yeah.
So let's say I get 6 now. When I get if I get 6?
So first I come Renaissance here.
I don't know I'm always there. Try to some work. I'm always there, man. Especially in the daytime.
Yeah, because I'm a hard working man, you know. It's just from the farm to the home, you know?
On the farm.
Yeah.
You're a farmer?
Yeah, man, original farmer brown man. Me are the one of the first man them live around us up. You understand?
You're not so old.
Me not so old.
You're not so old.
You don't feel so?
How long time you bought a place for me? I grew up me, you bought a place there. So that means I have money?
Money.
Yeah.
All them cow common and them cow were passing us. So what do you think them do? Who are them?
Yeah, one?
All of them belongs to me.
So that means I have money?
Money.
Yeah. Can you have cow and I sell them one thing?
We sell them, yes, when we sell them. That's,
So that means I have money, not you?
that's money. Money is the thing, man. I don't have money.
Money important. Money important. So much of what kind of phone this now? iPhone?
I don't know what kind of phone this is. I mean, daughter them send it come down from foreign.
You know if you use it? Because then complicated and I can show you. If you want, we can exchange. I go, this is a Samsung. You see this easier for you.
Alright, better. Tell her what you do.
Mm-hmm.
Put your number in it, and then when I call you.
No, more the phone. No, put my number in there.
Put your number in it.
I can't get it.
No man, just not tonight. Me I expect a call from overseas.
May I see you back tomorrow?
See me again, you want to see me again? Alright, I see you.
No, but I see some more work. You like me? What do you think?
Well,
Can't work with, not you? Alright.
you can't work with.
You married, what I'm saying? You're not married. You married?
That's a me not married.
You have kids?
And just says my daughter send this from quarantine. You see you're not paying attention, you know.
Oh, I say, alright, so you have big pin and friend can send money and thing. Come and put my number in there. Come on and stay back.
The young girl full of too much crap. You know.
My name, Lisa.
Lisa.
Yes, even save it there. Understand how to do it?
Yeah.
So ring me now, make me guess the number. Ring me now. Seat lights up there. Alright, I'm gonna save everyone.
Mm-hmm.
So all on you say I drink something else?
Well, drink have another drink, man. Me there, man. So, you feel like you give me 69 You feel like you give me 6.
I know me can't believe, but me glad you come with me. Come, come, come. See her there. See girl then. Look at teething, girl. Imagine from morning you heart me for my money, you know. I'm tell you something, I no money, you know. My money is for do my business, and I really take my money out of my purse. Eh?
You see me take you see me take it. You see me take it.
Me tired to talk to you, you know. Me tired for one you have one pitney, right? You have a pitney, you know.
If you come by me, you come by me. Don't talk about my son here. You not have a daughter.
Me not come with no badness. Me come
Hey,
from.
hey, that not sound good, you know.
Hey, relax. Lean back. I know you, I know your time. I street me come. Me not come
If
back.
the child can't come by me, because I never take nothing for you. You still want me take up me. You have money with a Bruxelles.
Hey, come on, man. How so much money you not talk about?
$10,000.
Then it's $10,000 you the be suffer.
Yes. Yes. Time hard. No money now me. The gentleman here nice. I always see me in the community.
Hey, come and me talk to you, man. Like you're the sensible one.
Alright.
I can't have them giant girl as a friend, you know. What you say?
You see the girl there? You sit down and talk to her? I know one nice girl. You hear me tell her? I want a little gambler.
Alright, watch out now. We know you know look good. I'm not a friend. You understand? How much money I said?
$5,000.
5,000? Alright. Sorry for me. I don't really take up people business for me, you know, but honestly, to the extent. Sorry for that. There. I don't know if I she thief or whatever. I don't want to get involved, but just the argument and you know sound good.
Me know I not sound good enough. Me not this type of person for come here so come.
You don't know me, don't you?
You know. Me I go stay around in the community.
I am Mitzi big daughter.
Yes.
KSN, right?
Yes. Me not trouble people.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I say? Me not trouble people. So this girl from morning she pressure me about $5,000.
I say you go, man. I say you go. But listen, sorry for that. I see that girl away apart with.
Yeah.
She will put in a problem. Yeah. But you know what? And every time.
More you understand. Me did have to carry her.
Alright. Take care of yourself. Alright,
But
KSN.
respect, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
And remember it's Farmer Brown here.
Alright, Farmer Brown. Respect to you, yeah?
Yeah, man. Bring her with you, man.
Come on.
Bring her with you. Because we don't want those kind of behavior around you.
Me understand, man. Come on, you're too terrible. Alright, you're Farmer Brown.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
Is them friend there?
And then really big friend them in the box. Sit them and talk to them 1 and 2 times. But we never take our money.
Listen. Sometimes when they run home and I see them something, a girl can see them something. That's why you stay hard. You understand?
But I mean, first did it, them come after.
I understand. But forget about it. So listen, I can call you.
Yeah, you can call.
Smile, man. I don't like how you're looking.
Smile, because I don't like them stuff. They know them I walk and tell everybody, say, you see? She come talk to me about my son, you know. About the money, you know. Yeah, she bring up.
You have a son?
Yes, my have a son.
I want to know. You know, like you have no picnic, you know.
Well, no, for a young girl, and we have kids nowadays, they can't really tell them. I have a son. I mean, I take care of my son, so I don't know she talk about me picnic up on the road and them stuff.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. We talk to you here. We talk to you, man. But smile. Smile, man. Tomorrow, I catch something come get here.
So you can't give me now?
No, me just give them the last one, man. You run
Sure.
me hand. You run me hand.
Okay. So call me.
Yeah, man, me call you.
Alright.
Alright?
Mm.
Smile for me. So me give them the $10,000. Them probably want it, you know. But you know, use that against people. You understand?
Mm.
Yeah, and nobody make them break your energy. Because some people come around if you come break your energy. You understand?
Understand.
But look him up.
You're drunk?
Like me drunk.
You first? Your eye look droopy.
I'm good, man.
You sure?
I'm good.
Oh, far from where you still live?
I live around the apartment there.
Alright.
But I shall see you, see?
You sure you can ride?
And then if me keep it phone out, me call you.
Come down after this and do me a beg you. Lord Jesus, if the man look like he could jump off and bicycle. Let me know if you reach home safe for your farmer brown, alright? Jesus Christ.
Daddy,
Hmm?
but you're going to look for me, I know.
Yeah, man, me I come look for you, man. Don't tell me. Me done, me I go check for the cow there on a bush there.
You can buy something for me.
What you want?
More sweetie.
Sweetie?
Yeah.
No, man, you not eat much sweetie, man. Come tell you, it's a sweetie now.
Alright, we can get one water then.
Yeah, when we come back, me make
Aye.
you get a water.
Aye.
Yeah?
Remember if you come look for me?
Yeah, man, me I come look for you, man.
Yeah.
Zin?
Yeah.
Look.
Later.
Yeah, look more.
Okay, crazy. Glad for summer come. You know, summer come. Me too, you know, for hey, every time me I feel I got school, dog. Hey, I can't believe summer rain come on a free day, you know. A free day, you know. Dog, we're glad. We're glad all summer come. I saw my best. I saw my best. Remember, you see summer school. You see I for summer school. Summer school, bad, no. No, you have summer school. Summer school, bad dog. Anybody.
Before I'm playing, man.
Welcome.
All right,
Hmm?
all right there. I
Right.
play as that there.
No. Hmm?
I play as that there, man.
No.
I'm gonna take you and tell you playing foot up.
No.
You know nonsense.
Eh?
The boy they run too long for no players for a screwdriver now. What you find someone for me? I'm a lick you the hammer man. Move on. I'm go hustle. Where you go to school for?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Where you learn? You're right, I can't learn. Move on, man. You waste people money. Me I want bench. You top go to school, man, and go learn one trade here.
Yeah.
If you know play different from a screwdriver, we all know. You know much different from English.
I don't know.
You don't know. And go find someone. You're a fool now. Yo, boy, forward, come in.
Well, I'm gonna friend that don't see it. One more friend. One more friend. Isa. Isa, how are Isa? In Garo. Yeah.
Wagwan,
Me there.
come here, boy.
I'm welcome. Yeah.
Wow.
Uh-uh.
So, make some guinea pig.
Thanks.
You alright?
Yeah.
You eat already?
No,
What make?
I'm gone already. You never left nothing for me to eat.
Man, never left nothing for you to eat.
No.
Alright, you.
Yeah.
I go up on the road and come back. I'll get something for you to eat, yeah?
Yeah.
So come.
Yeah.
And wash off your foot them, man. You can't make your foot them dirty, so just wash off your foot them and brush off your pants. Why you dirty up yourself, sir? Eh? How conky in your forehead? How conky in your forehead?
The next set, father.
Why you conky for?
No, because through in did I work on one bus and then he tell me to pass the prayers and I never know when he saw me pass the wrong thing and he conked me.
So that him conky for? You even need to ever talk with him, you know. But me still come here. Me have to see if I get something for you to eat and forward.
Yeah.
And wash off your foot them, man.
Yeah.
You hear, sir?
Yeah.
Slow! Hey, Wagwan. You know, say, grandma, may I come there? You know, say, I'm a bicycle, me don't want you tune up if me kind of get a little problem there.
Oh,
But when me come back, here.
yeah. Yeah, man, next week come or something.
All right.
You may not tune them up in other.
Alright, me hear what mommy I say, cause
Yeah, man.
around my farm me I come from and me say me I come give a link.
Oh, yeah, man.
Mm-hmm. Alright, me go and talk to mama yes and all a reason with her.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm. Mommy,
Mhm. Yes, man.
you know say around a farm them me I come from a while ago.
Okay.
I'm good on.
But not around the farm now.
Oh man, me have a lot of work to do around them and the breeze come on.
Everything blow down.
Yeah man, the breeze come and blow down everything around there. So me have all of them to go cut down and clean up and something. But another that thing, mom, you know say I go down at the shop there, down at the mechanic shop there and me say rush on. Right? They tell me say in stepfather a conky me nine fired and all this something.
I feel like him, man.
But me don't know what kind of style like them, mommy.
No, sir. That thing I show no love at all. You know, feel like he pit me.
But
He pit me, I do
me understand say
him talk to him, he can't talk to him, but not lick him. No conk him, no.
me understand say Russian are like a 8-year-old, a big, a lick, cause they say a pit in the same way.
Mm-hmm.
So you understand? You can't conk him man in his eye. It's like you take him man for idiot.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
I told to me one day, yeah, Miss Fine. You know, say I lick me na me, that idiot thing want me fit on, you know.
Eh? Tell her how you smart, mommy.
You see, I don't know nobody tell him to just look around and Miss Fine. You know, say only while the man lick me na me, that idiot thing want me fit on, you know. But me not on no idiot, you know, see time me lick me, I run.
I tell her, man, I tell her. What?
He say when you lick me, I run. And me notice say want lick me na me, that while. Idiot thing want me fit on.
Mommy, me say, it's like Lisa now have no style, mommy.
No, sir.
No style, no matter how me try if talk to Lisa. Lisa not take telling. All Lisa want to do is go to the gambling house.
Right.
Eh? Any little money out there ain't gone. You not even want to buy nothing for little boy. He might go work at daytime, he not even left nothing for your little boy eat. Hmm?
And if he mix out anything or not eat anything, beat him when he come.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I talk to.
See, you me if he left me so without nothing to eat. Anything missing the man and me out. Me. And all any beat me and he say one of them time he might call police. And the auntie come and hear him. Oh, so say hold on to behave. Every little thing me eat a problem. If me never hungry, me wouldn't eat it.
Alright, me I go out. Let's see if we can get something. Yeah, let me have money, then we go see if we get something out of shop there. If we can buy one little bowl of cake and one bag just go give me.
So me not no money for me neither.
Alright, so me go go on. Something I did have one little money for me. I go check it. Yeah?
Alright.
Alright, me so come. I go and look about the coconut aisle.
Yeah, money.
Hey, mommy, me not tell a lie, you know. You know say, Master Reedy tell me say, I used to the best coconut aisle on the market there.
Which ready?
Master Reedy, man. He might tell me say I used to the best coconut aisle. Reedy from around the road there, Miss Sandra husband. I tell me say I used to the best coconut aisle on the market there. You can't get another coconut aisle like yours.
I'm around to sell it on a man street there. But guess what I do now? Oh, before he boil it, a virgin island in skim off it, but he make it custard go in it. The island good is sour. The lady send off that shield that couldn't use.
Alright, so I go around and say, here, I'm so come.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, look up. If you want no banana and you just call me and make me know, cause me a grown and say here.
Something. I never used to play. Okay. I'll pass it.
See?
Yeah, clear.
Pass.
Mm.
Pass. Pass.
Yeah,
Pass.
clear. You can clear. Yeah.
Pass.
No, it's okay.
Wait.
Wait. The wind dog.
Oh.
The wind.
Give thanks to times and praises. And no, 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 no.
But wait. Oh my God, stepfather always go on so with you.
Why? No. Sometimes it just rough. I don't know. Sometimes I always wonder if he want to kill me or something, but I don't know.
Alright, who you like him most? Which one? Which one you call it?
Would I prefer my stepfather when he work as a farm? That's him more better. He treat me good than them.
It's a cool game. Who else?
I'm sure. I'm sure. It is too.
Alright, giant. So yeah, how much? 8.
Wagwan,
Well, I'm there, I'm going to go there.
you got a good.
Yeah, man.
Boy, you clean me there, I do some clean up, boy, because from Beryl come, me just get time to come over here. Look there, look how much banana.
Yeah, it's big bad, man. When you get back food, man.
Boy, I don't know. So me there, I do some little cleaning up.
All right, go and do what you do, man. It's good for you, man.
Yeah, man.
You come back.
Alright, so forward.
We soon forward.
Alright, man, we shall get here.
All right, sir. All right,
Yeah.
all right. Have a nice day, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, farmer. All right, farmer.
Play now. Bro, yeah.
One, two, go.
God would. Girl. My turn. Yeah, it's your turn. Naman. No. Finally. Oh, dear. Yo. You pass? Patet, pray naman. Alright, Shibada. Don't call me no Shibada. Alright, me I call it always. Good. No, man, you know hear yourself call him rat. No. Rat. Yeah, rat. You should play dog. Rat, me pass on. How much you not count here? Yeah, I'm count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Count 9. Right now me 100. I'm gonna hurry up here.
Farmer Brown,
Oi!
beg you a minute there.
How go on, Miss Myra?
Nothing much.
Why I hear about the storm at your school, you know?
So unfortunate, me I tell you.
Well, I'm sorry for hear say whole I roof gone.
Well, we have to try our best to get it up and running for September, you know.
Yeah.
Anyways, I little stepson me did want to talk to you about.
Oh, Russian?
Yes, so in the end of term exam them, him practically fail all of them. Me tell a grade like 20%, 15%, and his average was like 95 for the last term. So, you know, it's very concerning, and me say me go either come to your mother or when me see her pass by, me go stop you and let you know. Because we have to work on this. You know, I was thinking that we could probably have him in summer school or even come by, I can give him some extra lessons. You know, something, we have to do something because this is not normal. This is not him.
All right. Miss Myra, to tell you the truth. To tell you the truth, Miss Myra, Russian is not my biological son, right?
Oh.
But is his mother. You understand? Me and his mother did things, and we kind of not over his mother no mind because Mr. say mother I pray some things where in my line about. You understand?
Understand. But I always see him pass with you, so it seems as
Yeah,
if
man,
you
come
both
check
are...
for him, man, because he's a very brilliant little boy, you know.
Right.
And Mr. say he rate me and he respect me. He never, me not have no problem with him. So I try to look out for him and I care for him, see me. You understand?
I understand, and he's a very brilliant young man for sure. So I would really love to see, you know, some form of improvements.
Boy, Miss Mary, no matter how I talk to him and tell him, so certain things I can't do because I don't know a little youth and you can't do certain things as a mother for you. And then you have one next step further the way, me not to know.
Oh.
You understand?
Oh.
But what do you think we can do to improve? Because we don't really want it. Even if his mother no know about it. You understand? I don't really even pay for a little extra time you can spend at your class.
Of course, because I do offer evening classes, and even now that it's summer, I'm suggesting that you can go to the summer classes, you know.
So I can carry him come and so come give a daytime and let him have even 1 hour and just spend a little extra time with him.
Sure. Definitely.
All right, maybe do that there.
All right.
And thank you again.
No problem, man.
Yeah, man, I appreciate the facts that you call me to tell me. You understand? Even though I know for me fitness still, but I love him, see me as me one.
Yes, and not a lot of people will do what you're doing, so I encourage you to keep it up here.
All right, me do it, man. But I try me check for him, you know, Miss Myra. And Me not want to do this because me know say probably down in line anything can happen and they young.
Right.
Sometimes if your mother not have the head, even the community sometimes can take up a responsibility and try to guide them too.
True.
You understand?
Right.
So me I can't go away.
Yeah.
You understand? And remember, you know, if I want any banana, you know, I still have it on my farm and them something. You hear?
Alright then.
Yeah.
No problem. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, man. Take care.
You too.
Daddy, I eat this, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, come. Yeah, look at yours, man. I'm gonna take like a eat that so we can cheat the good. Nothing. What's up, brother? See, you know, take like a eat that.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's what for them, man. Take like a eat that, man. If you want to go and give me. Let me clean it officer. Me tell someone file fish out me knife or a knife missing off one. Eh? The knife missing off, brother?
Yeah.
So you can file come? Nothing.
I think I know
What
because
me and sister you tell nothing. Nothing.
because true me think say it's sharp right there, so.
It's sharp right there, so.
Yeah.
File no cut things, file sharp things you can pick cut. Yo, come on. Go learn sense. You know no sense. Go learn sense. Give me. Hey boy, I'm gonna give you something for ball for man. Go and go bathe yourself, man. You bathe for morning?
No.
Go and bathe. Your arms supposed to frowns, you know. Yo. So you do over here so long? Brother, soap up yourself and beard. Okay, I saw somebody beard. You hurry up and beard, you. And tap waste the water. You have to pay water bill. Hurry up, man. Watch out, look at my beard in there. No, sir. That's why some.
What a mighty God we serve. Angels bow before him, heaven and earth adore him. What a mighty God we serve. Away, Zion, away. Away, Zion, away. God burning low, and the sun of my God. I will not go am I not dead? I will not go, I'm not going.
Yeah, man, you can. You see, you see through the mountain there, so? No, man, this is up a dump.
Because I
Oh, yeah, go. Come on, come on. Hey, I can't take them man that we then go to the man. So, hear me, says in?
Yeah.
Yeah, what the pastor say?
Sorry.
You must be a good little boy, you're gonna be brilliant.
Sorry.
I know from the pastor said that you must keep focused, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Farmer broad.
What going?
But they are my general. You know, say me have some order for some banana.
Some banana.
You want to get them off of the crop.
Boy, from Beryl come, me have to go look and see what I can find over there.
All right then, farmer broad. Anytime you're ready, you know we die, I wait.
Yeah, man, me also see what I can find on the farm there.
Yes, yes.
Alright, no worry yourself, man. Cause me know say you run off the restaurant down the road there, so.
So by next week, everything will progress.
By next week, yeah man, definitely.
All right, activate Farmer Brown.
Alright,
One Farmer Brown, you know.
one all the time.
Believe. And I want taxi man out here, you know.
A church me I come from, so me I go see what me can find over there, yeah.
So by next week, then.
Yeah man, definitely.
All right, then Farmer Brown.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, Russian. Alright, Russian. So we are go down here. But as me say, you have to just stay focused on in a school here.
Yes,
And do the right thing all the time.
Lieutenant.
Alright? So come on, no, go down. Come on, hurry up. What? Ah! Ah! What? What, man? Oh man, let me go them. Left me cow them, man. Left me cow them alone, man. Are you always a come over here so come trouble me cow them? Go down over here, yard. Yeah.
Hello, nice day.
Morning.
Can you send me a special, please?
What kind of special?
Rum and boom.
Okay.
You know white rum? JB alone.
Okay, keep doing your JV.
Alright, give me JB, bro.
Alright.
I say I can buy one too.
No, I'm earning.
Yeah. Very nice, you know?
Someone for supper?
Huh?
Someone
Yeah. Okay. Alright, thank you. Send me a crate for me. Pick up my card, yeah. Strong man.
You feel strong?
No, it's strong. I put water for me.
Oh.
Thank you, yeah?
Hey Lisa.
Hi, Miss Mara.
What's up?
Not much.
Oh my gosh, this heat. You're not in here?
Yeah, but I know we're going to work with it. You know?
I came here to talk to you about your son.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to go outside because in here really hot.
No, man, it's okay. We can talk right here.
Alright, so I noticed a little change in his behavior since lately. He's a bit angry, I would say. Um, his approach to his peers. You know, he's easily upset if they take up something for him. Normally, he wouldn't make such a big deal out of it. But now he wants to fight and so forth. He's very aggressive towards them. Is everything okay at home?
Yes, everything is okay. I'm not sure what caused that.
Hmm.
Not sure. You sure they're not bullying him?
I don't think so because, I mean, they're all friends, you know, but when they do things like the least of things, they borrow his pencil,
It triggers it.
Yes.
Okay, well, I guess I have to talk to him when I leave work.
Okay, and the other day, I don't know if Mr. Brown told you, I saw him and I told him about the grades, because even with his grades, they're going down. The last exam he did, it was like 20%, 10%, and you know, that's Just not him at all.
Well, honestly, I've been busy with work, so I don't have a lot of time to spend with him. So maybe I'm slipping up a bit. So when I go home, I try my best to see what I can do and talk to you.
All right, please. Because he was one of our top students.
Yeah, man.
I want him to go back on the honor roll. You understand me?
I feel so bad because I never know all of them something wrong. And him not display no kind of behavior when him there. Normal.
No. It's very strange. Probably have to sit him down.
Well, we can try and do that later. I'll definitely try and do that later.
Alright. Thanks, sir.
Thanks for coming.
And if there's anything you think I can do to help, you can let me know, yeah?
Okay, I'll definitely give you a call.
Alright then.
Okay, cool. Look how you're dirty, man. I tell us in the cup. You go for dirty up yourself, so you're in the bed already?
Yeah.
Come. You tell us to stop ramping as daylight, you gone ramp. Look how you're dirty, you're bed already. Come on. I don't want you to dirty up yourself, stand at the ramp as daylight. Stand up right, stand up, move. Stand up. Here.
Thanks.
You give some oats this morning that must can hold in the juice here. Don't go back when you go play.
Yeah.
You hear me say? I go when you go start out something. I'm going to go see if we can get something to send on for one bike for later, yeah?
I thought every time when I come to work and daddy not give me nothing to eat. I found my brother after come and I give me
Take time
something.
to listen to me. Well, me tell you something I can't do no better right now. I give some oats this morning, this must can hold until I come back. I go when you go start out something. I go get somebody bring on something for you eat as soon as me get all the money. I don't have no money right now. You hear me? And listen, no go back when you go play. So if I come back here dirtier than this, I go beat you now. I'm serious. You hear me say? You not go on the road because people talk say, I have you on the road. You're not going to put me in a trouble. Run over. And listen to your stepfather need to talk to you.
Yes, man.
Lisa. Where are you going now?
When you heard me say I go start with something, I try to up and like a grand figure. I rush and get something to eat coming on the money. You don't know money for you.
Why them there so I wait for somebody to carry money come give me, but you know like it I go work out.
I can't wait till I either come on go do me, but I never let him do nothing to eat.
You know, if me
So I'm just me have to give.
you know, and juice.
But me did give him something to eat in the morning, but you know I'm picking them around.
Alright. Me probably get something from around me yard and carry game still. But you know, say me fit off here from the other day.
Go
Miss Myra, which is Russian teacher,
yeah, me know.
see me other day and stop me and tell me say Russian a fall back in a school. Lisa, you understand say you're young and you love road and something, but you see your pitney, you have to spend time with the pitney. You understand? You have to spend time and ensure say you're helping with your homework and you come home. You don't know what you're going to do honestly with your stepfather and you, but you have to spend time with the pitney. You can't just dolly up yourself. Look how you look good and something on the road. Eh? You can't just do them this there. Lisa, you have to spend more time with the pitney. At the end of the day, them here is nothing, you know.
Who's the man spend time with me picnic? You the round of the stay?
Me not around there for see Lisa, but you not around there. Look how much time me have to pass and see my names. Me not around there. Around there live.
Me spend time with my son. Me spend at you. Me get caught up with the work and stuff. And me have other things to start with planning. So sometimes I can't give him as much attention as I can give him. But me spend time with him.
The things them you are going in there in a family line about, you know.
What you talk about now? You always come with something.
You pack gambling and them sitting there.
Then when me go make money, you think bar work up here?
Bar work and pay.
So how me gonna make money if me not risk it for my time?
Me still, I think me forgot what you do, Lisa. They make you and your friend them plan up with try to trick them.
But I not like me didn't know you them time. Me never know you. So and I like say me and you did a associate already and my plan for come scam me. I did not know you're just a random person at the bar when we go make money.
Lisa, you can't just go around and feel like say you and your friend them can just trick man. So it's a dangerous business that you know. Eh? Suppose me I did one of them man then.
Well, you know one of them one day.
I say enough you take me for granted. Because you know see you look good enough. You look better than your friend them, you know.
Oh, me I take it for granted, boy.
Alright. So one of my bike taxi friend I come next. So I'm just making drop you out the road.
I want $1,000 to give a shot. If you get the money in time, give him something to eat for me.
Me I go grown and me I go get some.
And if in a yard don't make grown, then let me know. Because I tell him to stay inside, because I'm not here.
How you going, man?
There, I'm a general.
What hell
I'm around there, man.
a long time I not see no man.
Look on the juggling as usual. Just know.
Alright, so just drop around that border for me, you understand?
Alright, BG.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You're not Mr. 40, man. You don't know what's a thing different to me.
Yeah man, me start out. So just go and check around that, see?
Yeah, man.
Check for a shot.
Yeah man, me I go around there go check on him. Yeah?
You go to it? Alright.
Yo sir.
Yeah, sir.
Boy, Russian tell me say I be a conky around here and conky him up in the head, you know. What kind of style like that?
Well, they deserve more than conk, you know. What go on?
You mean the man deserve more than conky?
Well, you know, nonsense, man.
But brother, you can't just a conky man in the head, sir. Eh? If you talk to him and then just talk to him properly, you know, conky him. You know, he'll treat him.
So, you know, so me get to find out, say, you're a nice stepfather, so you want to go on, you have to come for me now and take him and carry him go to your place.
What do you mean you find out say me and stepfather? Where you get that information from?
No, head, brother. Anything they're dark can become a light, you know.
Well, boss, me and him mother stop chat long time, you know. I one time me had this real stepfather, but I try me rate him and me check for him. Me just always come here and come check for him. So you can't take your feelings.
Well, you see, if you don't want to get no conk, I know liquor and them sitting there, I will take him and carry him go to your place. But you come like he can't learn. Yo, hear me I say. You say if me have to come back around here, say there, I conk him up in the head, then I'm go pretty in, sir. Farmer Brown, but you go on where I go, here? What mean you go on where me I go? Go and go find something dope your ground. Here? Brother, I'm telling you this. Plan two corner. I'm telling you this. You see if me have to come back around here, and you say I conk him up in the head. Stop pointing up your machete in my face, because I come like you don't know where I do. What mean stop pointing up your machete? I say I hear alone there, you're ground, when you're there, you're ground, you know. So what you try to say? Yeah, we get hurt, you, so you better easy yourself. You know what? Let me come go where me I go here. No, yeah, that's the best thing that here. What? The best thing that you Hey, how we attack? No, you farmer, bro. Hey, yo, me cut off on your finger, me can. But me have to come back around here, say, you leave me. Don't worry yourself, man. I must get you.
Mommy, can't you see what our baby has done to me? Take away my energy. Now I'm stuck with mine. TikTok too. Yo, Russian. Yo, why not far me I come from face here? Your stepfather, farmer bro, and beat up your other stepfather. First me I hear that. Hey, first you hear that? What you mean? Farmer bro and your other stepfather Nick almost kill him because he conk in the forehead. And you know want to hear that. You want to hear say alright. Remember some me dig on a summer school, you know? I mean want to go to summer school. Oh, make. Because summer school did nice, but me never get the opportunity to go. Oh. But one of the day, I go come down to your mother yard and ask him if you can come with me. Yeah? Yeah. If you don't want, you see if you don't want to send you to summer school, just tell if you send you around. You see, you go pass one road and go straight and turn. That's primary? Yeah, you can go so. You know that's primary? Yeah, you can go to the summer school, yeah. Keep I want good school that, you know. From when me pass up, couldn't do me sister, that I want a good school, though. Yeah, sometimes me teacher them we get out of class. If you know, and then can just send you out of program. So you teacher them over Peter C. Primary, a good teacher them, you know. Good teacher them, boy. One day me wish me go back a Peter C. Primary. Unity worse. You know how much money me have to spend on Unity? About over 5. Yo, you know, if you want just one, you cup party. 4. And that should have been 2. I wish me to go back to Peter C. Primary. I best school that. And sometimes they will give you free things. Tell me like, I just want to go back to Peter C. Primary. I best school for me. That's so nice. Best school. I go ask Farmer Brown if he can tell me mother to transport me back to Peter C. Primary. That's the best school when I figure. That's the best school. So I cannot ask your other stepfather? No, brother. Because I couldn't pay any for it. You don't want to give me some boop again. You look like abusive. Yo, I worst man that my mother take up on worst man in life. Wish my father never gone to no prison. You know, so my father take care of me. Are you Farmer Brown? Yeah, Farmer Brown take care of me. Yeah, come me one father. Lord God, you see? You should have told the time when the Farmer Brown give me something for him. Every time when my mother got work, I no got no, him have to come trip me and give me food for eat. You catch your father with goat in a car back. What do you mean in a car back? Because I'm a goat thief. You never know. Hey, me have to go in and go watch Popeyes, you know. Because me I hear them talk about some man a thief, goat and I put in a car. So me I wonder who, then me can't be sorry, my father that. But then me I wonder, me and my mother say, when my father dey, and we can't find, everywhere we go, we can't find him. We got him mother yard, we can't find him. We got every place, we can't find him. Because of jail, you know, he's a bit of thief. Plus, Papa is good at it that they beat today. For a long time. I like you good things to the entire papa. Tell me I said, I wish God them a talk about. Me I go check papa's later, you know. Anytime me I got my bed, me watch you see who I go on so me can breathe. That's remember say I'm a good friend, I know. Yeah, but you're a good friend. Remember say I'm a par from reborn, I know. Remember say I'm a par. Come in, come back and go over here, so. Yeah, but they must get their mad saying that. What do you mean?
Yo, me find something up a bush here, you know.
You get them?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and you been left them for?
Yes, me carry them down. Cause me need them. And me see one breadfruit and me picky.
Then that's it, you can't, because Beryl gone with most of everything, you know.
Master, you can't say it again. Jesus, peace. Me left if you hungry skill we, but a two we skill me when I go dead for hungry.
Alright, no man, a hot me, no man. Come here, say, mama, me
What's bite you?
Was? Me have to go down there while I go to Russia and Stepfather, man, and show him, say, yo, I'm me are the man. You understand? You cannot come couple little boy, so.
No, man.
And then I go down there and give me tough chat, mama. Me have to put up my shit.
This you have to take and slap him up, give him two slap with it.
Sure.
Boy, you put on my shit and lick with your hand. Slap him with, not chop him, slap him with it.
Hey, one thing we rate, always love your badness now, man.
Yes, man.
I make you come put something on it.
Daddy!
Where me I go put pan here now? I mean,
Oi!
no liniment, you know.
What?
There, man, arm to you. Come in. So when we go over, I come check and make you put something on it. Look at ice or something here. Arm to you.
Me just say you beat up my stepfather for true.
I will tell her that.
And my friend did that pass true and he soon.
So, and then I forget beat up.
Then forget beat up. You say, Daddy.
Are you make me beat him up?
Yeah. You see, that's why me rate
So I
Daddy.
have to check with him if he slap him with the machine.
You should have just take him a shades and slap him out like give him two slap. That you should have do.
Oh man, I don't want to put myself in no trouble or go in jail.
See, that's why me rate Daddy.
No worry yourself, man. You're good enough. I don't want nobody feel like they can take me no step away, you know.
No, man. Nothing like him.
Daddy, mommy no come yet.
You not sure come yet?
No.
So me I tell you about mommy. That's all him mother do. Go road, gamble, and do all sort of something. Much man pick him up and do something. You know what you gonna do? Try. Yeah.
Daddy, mosquito them a bite terrible, man.
Let me tell you this.
Yeah.
Zane?
Yeah.
Not because you see me beat up your stepfather, you know. Mean say violence is good. Right?
Yes, Daddy.
Violence is not good all the time.
Daddy.
Me here say you go to school and you fight. What me tell you about fighting, sir?
Don't fight. Fighting is bad.
Right, fighting is bad, you don't fight it. Somebody even I say words and I call your name, you don't pay them no mind.
Right.
You go through. As long as they don't touch you, you don't touch them, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Good. You don't want you put yourself in no trouble.
Yes, Daddy.
And me have to just teach your stepfather a lesson. You understand?
You know, pump me again.
Good.
Teach him up goodness.
So here what I go on now. Just go on, me I go cook some food you can get around the yard.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, look more.
Yeah.
Yeah, good boy, man, making
So me I tell about mama.
yes, man, a good boy.
You have to talk.
I have to talk with them, make them know themselves.
You have to grow them good enough.
Yeah, they have to.
I tell you this a generation and what come now.
Master, you can't say what I talk.
No, man.
We have to curve them.
But come here with a bag of carry out the fair. Come on, car.
Yes,
I tell you, say.
I tell you, go ahead.
Boy, man, no help, you know, man. Them a young boy, they nothing I want.
Do nothing.
So they want to take up the farming.
I want a piece of wood and me have to go looking.
Boy, a woman look good.
Me look 4 coconut from when and I 2 left up there and I then me go for.
Yeah.
And me go pick 2 breadfruit. I want them.
Alright, me I come grow now, yeah, they here.
Yes, all right.
I come grow now, yeah. Watch the road there before you cross, because them people are in them,
Do something.
in the axio. One man.
Hmm?
One. People in the axio.
She did long.
So them have to look out for them in
Go in
some
him.
full long car them.
It's all in our hands, this life of time. That's given to us all. It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands.
Big boy, yeah, go put him up on movie.
Come here, boy.
With every field and rising sea, can hear the sounds of all. And with every change,
I'm moving, you know. Wait.
No.
it's all in our hands.
Me, I just want to make a child.
It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands. And we know the change will surely come.
Yeah.
When the prize listen up for your cash go down.
No, oh, prize.
I'm gonna take you and tab you in your foot for your foot up.
No. We're best
Yo, come again. Don't laugh in here. Don't laugh.
Yo, hear me also. You know, I need that again. I want.
Don't laugh. Don't come here. Don't laugh. I don't have badges.
Nobody will stay.
Why you don't know players here?